Alright, man, you got this guy. He's about to eat this 911 shit. It smells hot. I'm not even up on it and it's burning my nose.
Ready?
It's your boy Killer Mike. We're ready. Question is it hot? Just a little?
A little bit.
Are you kidding me?
A little bit, man.
What about your lips? No?
Not yet. Good.
This guy's a beast, man. He's not sweating. He's not shaking. I ain't gonna hold you. It looks good. I just know if I eat it, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die if I eat it. Yummy. This guy's actually dipping it in the sauce. Uh-oh. Was your fingers burning?
No, it's hot. Got off the fry.
This guy, he's just eating it like it's just regular chicken.
They're just hitting my throat right now. That's really it.
It's just hitting the throat, but it's not.
It's hot.
It's the chicken is hot.
Yeah.
Not the sauce.
No, not the sauce.
No, forget that, man. I'm no way in hell. That's not burning your tongue. That's not burning your mouth. You still got 4 more, so let's just see.
Tearing up a little bit. I'll admit that.
Oh, so you are so it is some type. So this is what you're saying is this ain't no vagina type of stuff. It definitely is what it is, but. Oh, someone has the sniffles. Oh. All right, now if it's too hot, it's cool to stop, man. Damn, you got tears coming out your eyes, bro. Yo. Yo, it's okay to stop, man.
Good, man. Thank you, man. I'm pretty good. Hey, I think you needed them. I having hard times right now.
The hard times. You know what's crazy? He was talking all this shit, talking about, oh, well, when I get there, I'm going to tell him I need something hotter because this ain't nothing. So it's not burning your mouth, but it's just the sauce is getting with your eyes and your nose and all. All right. You want some water? No? You want some milk? You want some Cambodian breast milk? No? So the question is, would you want a thing of this sauce for yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Say no more. He didn't get a drink. He said you don't want nothing to drink. Yeah, this is going down in history, man. I mean, you did get teary-eyed and all, like a little girl, but
In Monmouth County.
in Monmouth County, Eatontown, Cluck you. It's just him, and I was told a Jamaican guy was here. One of the other guys in the afternoon said some Jamaican guy came in here, and he just dips it on and just eats it like nothing. But he said that's the only guy. So I guess you can add this guy to the roster. Ah, no, that ain't tears. That's sweat. Is that sweat because it's hot in here, or sweat because it's hot food? Yo, you are the man, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Killer Mike. Now hold on now, hold on. You gotta scrape all that stuff up and eat it, man.
What?
I mean, it's just, you the man, right? 9/11 ain't shit to you. So you might as well just eat it all. Scrape it all up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Mmm. How you feeling?
Wonderful.
Honestly, how you feeling?
Okay.
So your mouth isn't on fire?
A little bit hitting the throat.
It hit the throat a little bit.
Yeah, but it's really good.
All right, well, it's pretty damn good. You the man.